In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background art on Squarespace. We'll start right from your account, move into your site, add a clean new section, and then apply Squarespace's built-in background art so it looks polished and intentional. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to preview options confidently, and how to save your changes without affecting other parts of your site. Begin by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in if prompted. From the account area, open your dashboard to view your sites. Choose the site you want to work on and click Go to Website to jump into the site editor. This takes you into the configuration area where everything for your site lives. From here, click Website, then open Pages to see the list of pages on your site. Select your home page to work on a familiar, high visibility area. If you see a preview, click the home page again so it's highlighted and active, then choose Edit to enter the visual page editor. You're now in the place where you can change sections, backgrounds, and content directly on the canvas. If you already have a section where you want the new background art, hover over it and click Edit Section. If you prefer a fresh canvas, choose Add Section and then Add Blank. This gives you a clean area that won't disrupt existing layouts, which is a great way to test visuals confidently. With your blank section in place, make sure it's selected and click Edit Section. In the section settings, open the background panel. You'll see options for image, video, art, and none. It helps to know how these relate. Image places a static photo, video creates motion with a looping clip, art uses Squarespace's generated patterns and illustrations, and none removes visuals for a simple color field. Click through image and video briefly if you're curious, then choose art to focus on the built-in background art options. You'll see a variety of background art styles. Click a few to preview how they look on your section. This is non-destructive, so feel free to try several until you find one that fits your brand's tone. If one option opens variants, click through those as well to compare density, shape, or motion as available. Settle on the background art that feels right for your content and readability. Keep in mind how headlines or buttons will sit on top of it. Next, adjust how wide the background appears. Open the background width control and choose full bleed to have the art stretch edge to edge across the browser. Switch to inset if you prefer a layout with comfortable horizontal margins that align with your content column. Toggle between full bleed and inset to see which integrates best with your overall design, then leave it set to full bleed if you want maximum visual impact. When you're happy with the art and its width, return to the main background panel to confirm your selection. Then click over to the Design tab in the section settings. This is a helpful place to quickly confirm spacing, content alignment, and how elements will read on top of your new background. You don't need to change anything here if it already looks good. It's simply where you can fine-tune the section's presentation to support your new background art. Finally, click Save to commit your changes. Once you see the confirmation, click Exit to leave the editor and return to the site view. That's it. Your section now uses background art, applied the right way, and saved correctly. If you plan to repeat this look on other sections, follow the same flow. Open the page, add or select the section, edit the background, choose art, set the width, review design, and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy elevating your Squarespace pages with clean, on-brand background art.